Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Britt and today I am in my boys' bathroom and we're going to do a deep clean and organize of their bathroom. I'm going to do the same thing I did in my master bathroom, cleaning and organization, if you saw that video. If not, go check that out. Thankfully, my boys' bathroom is a little smaller, not as much space to clean, and they don't have as many toiletries and things to organize. So hopefully this one won't take as long to do. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get everything off the floor, all the rugs and everything out of here. And then I'm gonna clean and organize the cabinets. I'm gonna go one cabinet or one drawer at a time and get everything out. I'm gonna wipe it down with a mixture of Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap and some warm water. And then I'm gonna put the things back neatly that we are going to keep, things that they still use or will use. If I see that there's any toys, any bath toys that are in bad condition, any that have mold in them or anything, we will toss those. All right, so let's get going. Okay, I apologize for the shot. My husband filmed it with his phone and did it vertically instead of horizontally, but I think you get the point. So the first thing I did was dusted the ceiling with a broom. I made sure the broom was clean so it didn't, leave behind more dirt and dust on the ceiling, and then just went through and swept away any cobwebs or anything that was on the ceiling. And then I'm just going drawer by drawer and cleaning and organizing. So I'm starting by getting everything out of the drawer and I'm wiping it down, like I said, with a mixture of Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap and water. And I just fill up a bucket with warm water and just use about a teaspoon of Dr. Bronner's. And then I use a microfiber cloth and it works really well for getting rid of any toothpaste marks or any little spills with soap or any dirt, who knows. So I clean inside of each drawer and cabinet and also clean outside and make sure I get in all those grooves. And especially with white or off-white cabinets like these, it's important to clean the cabinets, and I do clean them definitely more than once a year. Every week when I clean the bathroom, I kind of spot clean and wipe away any dirt marks or anything that gets on the cabinets.
Now, are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that?
And I just kind of got the toys out of that cabinet and wiped the cabinet down for now. I will go through the toys and clean them in a little while. So now that the cabinets are clean, I am moving on to cleaning the rest of the bathroom. So I'm wiping down the baseboards the same way I wiped down the cabinets. I did refill the water, used fresh soapy water. So I'm wiping down the baseboards and then the walls also.
Wanna spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now.
can see as I'm at it, I'm also wiping down the light fixtures, the vents. I'm gonna wipe down like the switch plate, kind of wiping down, dusting everything as I'm going. Okay, so the ceiling, the walls, the baseboards, and the cabinets are all clean. I'm gonna start a load of laundry with the towels and the curtain and the rugs, and I'll take the shower curtain off in a little bit and wash that too. And then I'm gonna clean the blinds and the windows next.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
By the way, this is part of my deep cleaning schedule for the whole home. On that schedule, I lay out different deep cleaning jobs and organizing jobs around the home and divide those jobs between the 12 months to make it hopefully less stressful, so you don't have to like figure out what should be done when and how often different jobs should be done around the home. You don't have to worry about all of that. I laid it out all for you, so all you have to do is look at 1 month at a time and see what jobs you might want to do during that month. So cleaning and organizing the bathrooms is actually part of December's jobs, and when I filmed this, it was December. I actually filmed this the day before we left for our little Christmas vacation to the mountains. So I was determined to follow my schedule here and get this done in December. But of course, you don't have to follow the schedule exactly. You can kind of use that as a guideline and adjust it as you need to and jump in anytime you want to. But January is a great time to start. And so I will put the link to my deep cleaning schedule down below, and you can go print that off yourself and jump in and start on the deep cleaning fun, if you can call it that. But I will be doing videos each month doing those deep cleaning jobs and showing you how I deep clean and organize the different rooms in my home and how I stick to the schedule. And hopefully it'll provide some motivation for you and help relieve a little stress and help you know what to do when it comes to organizing your home. I love organizing, the cleaning, not so much, but I do love organizing. And I think it's so important to do, even if you don't love to organize. I think it still has a lot of benefits when you declutter and get rid of things in your home that you don't need anymore, and then organize things into groups. It makes it a whole lot easier to find things that you're looking for, and it also clears up space. And when you have more space in your home and you don't have tons of clutter, it like helps to clear your mind too. I know for me, I'm way more able to focus on work or focus on, teaching my kids with homeschool or whatever I need to do. I'm able to focus more when there's not lots of mess and clutter and all kinds of things everywhere. So feel free to jump in with the schedule, follow along with me, and I'd love to know if you are following the schedule with me, if you are doing these jobs and how it's going for you. Feel free to comment down below if you're following the schedule, and feel free to take some pictures, some before and after pictures, and tag me on Instagram. I'm at Britt Brings It Home, and I would love to see how your organizing is going and how your rooms are looking. Anyways, so I did some of my normal cleaning that I do every week in my bathroom. I wiped down the countertop, and I cleaned the toilet, and I cleaned the bathtub. And to do that, I use a homemade bathroom cleaner. I'll have to put the recipe for that up later. It has some Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds and some essential oils and water and some other things. But I'll put the recipe for that later. But use whatever non-toxic bathroom cleaner you have. Another great one that I just got for Christmas actually is Branch Basics, and I've just started using that some and I love it. So that's a great option for a non-toxic cleaner. So I'm just spraying and wiping down everything really well. I also cleaned the shower curtain. I just sprayed it and wiped it down on both sides. If your shower curtain has any mold growth on it, I would spray it with some hydrogen peroxide. Just attach a spray nozzle onto the bottle and spray it on the mold and leave it on for at least 10 minutes, and that will help to kill the mold. A much safer way than using bleach. After it sits and soaks, then scrub it. But if you don't want to go through all that trouble, you can always just throw it out and get a new one. I do get a new shower liner probably every few years when it starts to get gross and I don't feel like spending all the time to scrub it and clean it really well. They're not that expensive and I don't mind getting a new one every few years. And for the toys, I do not like to keep a lot of bath toys just because, they're in the water and mold grows very easily on them, especially if they are kind that, has a hole in it and water can get in the inside. It's practically impossible to clean out all the mold that's in there. So once I start to see any sign of mold, I throw it out. So we don't keep a whole lot of bath toys and we don't really keep them that long once we do have them. So thankfully my boys are a little older now. They're 4 and 7 and my oldest takes a shower now, so he doesn't even play with toys. And so just my youngest, my 4-year-old, has some toys, not a whole lot. So I'm going through and wiping down each toy with my microfiber cloth and soapy water, cleaning it down. If I see any kind of mold growth, I'm throwing it out, like that shark toy I did throw away.
And I said,
Alright guys, so that is it for the kids' bathroom deep cleaning and organization. The only thing I have left is to put the shower curtain and the rugs and the towels back in here once they are done in the laundry. They are in the washing machine right now, finishing up, and then we'll put them back where they go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you come back next week. We're gonna be organizing my son Jackson's bedrooms. That should be fun. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to stay up to date on all my latest videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. From my home to yours. See you next time.